welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. If you're new or reoccurring and haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. If you have subscribed, then thank you so much for doing that. On today's episode, I am making pizza from scratch, except for the crust. That's the only thing that's already done, but everything else is from scratch. So let me show you all the ingredients you need to create this yummy, delicious pizza. So you're gonna need your pie crust, your pizza sauce, a bunch of cheese, olives and onions, because that's what I like on a pizza. So now I'm gonna show you how to create all this, put it all together. The first thing you wanna do is take your sauce and you wanna put it on your pizza, like so. Now, I'm going to use a basting brush for this because then I can get it all over the pizza as I want it. You want to try to cover your whole entire pizza. If you can't, oh well. Not the end of the world. There we go on that one. Now, you're going to take your cheese and you're going to sprinkle it all over. That's why I got a lot of cheese this time. Make sure that there's enough to go all over the whole entire pizza, because that's going to be great. Just great, amazing. Look at that yumminess. Now your olives and your onions. Just sprinkle that all on one way or another. I love onions and I love the olives. That's why I added a lot of everything to make sure it's all on there, because this is going to be a yummy pizza. Now you stick it in the oven. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn your oven to 450 and you're going to place it on the rack for 8 minutes or until golden brown and the cheese has melted. So let's do that. Time to take out the pizza. Got to be very careful. It is very hot. Very hot. And there's the pizza. Okay. How I'm going to do this, I do not know exactly. There we go. There's the pizza out. Time to cut the pizza. I cut it in 4 pieces. That's what I do. So it's much easier to deal with. See? There you go. 4 pieces of pizza. Since I am the creator of this delicious pizza, I get to try the first bite. But if you are the chef, the creator, the person who cooks the food, you gotta try your food. It always has been that way. So let's try this yummy, delicious pizza. Oh, it's amazing. Amazing pizza. Amazing. I'm going to enjoy all that. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video of me creating a nice pizza. Please comment below if there's something you want me to create. Also, remember to share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And hit that thumbs up button. Smash it, squash it, high five it. Hit that thumbs up button. I'm looking for 50 thumbs up buttons. I know we can do that. I know we can hit it. So let's hit it. Also remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz and Jay Squad. And remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.